Yeah, today we're going to show you how to use the coffee siphon. Yeah, so it's a traditional way of making brewed coffee. Okay, so the first step is actually to get or to choose the beans that you want. So you can either go for the medium roast or the medium dark, or what they call dark roast. Okay, so when it comes to the ratio, you can go for the 1:15 or 1:17. So if you want a stronger tasting coffee, go for the 1:15. So we'll be using the 1:15 formulation for today. So the first step is to install the filter. Okay, sige, focus tayo. So you have to put this inside. Then there's a string that you have to pull, and there's a hook. Yeah, so make sure that it's tight. Okay, then the second step is to put your water. Okay, so we'll put it in the bottom beaker, and then we'll be installing the upper beaker. Make sure that there's a space before you close it. So once it starts boiling, that's the time that we will be locking it into place. Okay, then you will turn on the burner. So the one that comes with a set is parang it's like a what do you call this? Gasera. Yeah. Alcohol burner. Yeah. So once it starts boiling, that's the time that we will lock the upper beaker into place. Then for the brewing time, we can use 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Pero if you're using, let's say, the darker roast, you can go for the 30 seconds or 45 seconds. San? Okay. So once the water is already in the top beaker, the next step is to lower the flame, the power, so at least so that the water will be a little bit more stable before putting on your grounds. Okay, so here. Yeah. Okay, so the next step is what we call blooming. No, we will just be dipping the grounds in the water so that it's all distributed evenly. Okay. So we'll do this for about 30 seconds. Then the next step is to stir. Once the brewing time is already finished, you can just turn off the flame, and you will start to see that the coffee will go down to the bottom beaker. So the next step is to remove the upper beaker carefully. And you can use the lid as a stand. Okay. And then you can pour directly from the bottom beaker. So that's it. That's how you make your coffee from the coffee siphon.